Hi everyone, welcome to the Shamkris Global Group YouTube channel. Today we will see more about Trusted Information Security Assessment Exchange, TISAX Certification, and how you can get it for your business. TISAX stands for Trusted Information Security Assessment Exchange. It is a certification framework specifically designed for the automotive industry to ensure the secure exchange of sensitive information among companies and their business partners. TISAX certification is based on the international standard ISO IEC 27001 for information security management systems. The main purpose of TISAX certification is to establish a common and trusted framework for assessing and certifying the information security measures implemented by automotive companies. It enables organizations to demonstrate their commitment to safeguarding confidential information, protecting customer data, and mitigating cybersecurity risks. To obtain TISAX certification, companies need to undergo an assessment conducted by an accredited TISAX service provider. The assessment evaluates various aspects of the organization's information security practices, including risk management, incident response, access control, data protection, and compliance with relevant legal and regulatory requirements. Benefits of TISAX certification: improved cybersecurity. TISAX certification helps organizations strengthen their cybersecurity posture by implementing robust information security management systems and best practices. Enhanced business relationships. Certification enables companies to build trust and credibility with their business partners, fostering stronger and more secure collaborations within the automotive supply chain. Compliance assurance. TISAX certification demonstrates compliance with industry-specific security requirements and regulations, giving companies a competitive edge and ensuring adherence to customer expectations. Efficient data exchange. By implementing TISAX-certified information security measures, organizations can securely exchange sensitive data with their partners, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of shared information. Enhanced security posture. TISAX certification requires organizations to implement robust information security management systems based on the ISO IEC 27001 standard. This helps improve the overall security posture by identifying vulnerabilities, implementing controls, and establishing a proactive approach to addressing cybersecurity risks. Demonstration of commitment. TISAX certification demonstrates an organization's commitment to information security and data protection. It showcases their dedication to meeting industry standards, protecting customer data, and complying with applicable laws and regulations. Who can be certified for TISAX certification? Automotive manufacturers, automotive suppliers, automotive software developers, automotive service providers, automotive research and development centers, automotive dealerships, automotive logistics providers, automotive testing laboratories, automotive technology providers, automotive financial services providers. Documents required for TISAX certification: system manual, system procedure, policy, objectives, mission and vision, standard operating procedure, SOP, checklist, forms, formats, records, and others. How to apply for TISAX certification. To receive our assistance, please visit certificationinindia.com/contact us and fill out the contact form. Our support team will get in touch with you promptly. Thanks for watching.